In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly generate dates with this trick here in Google Sheets. So if you want to generate some dates, let's say you're trying to create a calendar, or you're just trying to fill out some of your cells with the number of dates. Here's how you can quickly do it. So we're doing this with our formulas, and that's with the sequence function. So let's get started. Let's say I want to fill out my rows 1 to 20 with the dates starting from today. So what I'm going to do is to start with my equal sign to start my formula, then type in sequence or select it right here. Then we can get started with our syntax. So the number of rows that I want to fill out is again 20 rows. There we go. So we're going to put 20, comma. Number of columns, so that's just in column A, so that's just 1, comma. And the starting point would be the date today. So today is May 22. And what I'm going to do is to just do the today function. There you have it, comma. And the step would be 1. So I wanted to jump into the next day. And if I press enter right here, there we have it. So now we have a bunch of numbers that we don't really recognize as dates. That's because we still have to format these as dates. So simply select that range, go to Format, select Number, then select Date. Click on that, and there we have it. So now we have a sequence of numbers from May 22 going to the next month until June 10, filling out 20 rows and 1 column in our spreadsheet. There you have it. So we don't have to put in a date today, then drag it down, especially when you're trying to create a big set of data. Let's say it's not just 20 rows, let's say it's 100. If I wanted to change that into 100 right here, I can definitely do so. Press enter, and there you have it. So again, what I'm going to do here is to just quickly select that entire column. Go to Format, select Number, and select Date. This is to make sure that all of the data that will be registered here will be formatted as a date. And there you go. So we have 100 rows of dates starting from May 22 until August of 29, 2026. Now, what if you wanted to start on a different date? Let's say the start of May. So instead of having that today function within our sequence formula, I'm just going to copy that, paste it here. And instead of today, I can hard code a specific date. So I'm going to put that in quotations. I'm going to have 05 for May, then 01. So the start of May of this year, still of this year, closing quotations, press enter. Again, select the entire column, go to Format, select Number, and select Date. And there you have it. So now we have a specific date as a starting point, going all the way down to the 100th row, having August 8th as our end. So that's how you can quickly generate dates with this easy trick here in Google Sheets. If you wanted to make your own calendar using the sequence and other functions here in Google Sheets, I do have a separate video about this, and I'll be leaving a card to that video at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I have a free guide linked in the description below that you can also click. Thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.